Are you tired of missing important calls just because you're away from your desk? Say goodbye to missed calls with eToll-Free's cloud phone system and its powerful Follow Me feature. Before we dive in, let's clarify the difference between call forwarding and Follow Me. Call forwarding redirects your calls to one specified number, but what if you're not there? That's where Follow Me comes in. It forwards your calls to multiple numbers sequentially, ensuring you never miss an important call. Now, let's walk through the steps to set up the Follow Me feature. Step 1. Log into your cloud phone system dashboard, your command center for accessing all the system's features and settings. From the dashboard, click on Applications in the menu bar, then choose Call Forward. Now, on the Call Forward page, select the extension where you want to configure your Follow Me settings. Under the Follow Me option, select Enable. Input the numbers where you want your calls forwarded, from your office extension to your mobile or home number. Set the number of seconds the system should wait before forwarding the call. Define the maximum amount of time the system should attempt to connect the call before moving to the next number. Enable the prompt feature to be notified that you're receiving a forwarded call. Finally, click the Save button to ensure all your changes are stored and activated. With these simple steps, you've set up the Follow Me feature. No matter where you are, your calls will always find you. Stay connected and stay productive with eToll-Free's cloud phone system. Visit our website to learn more and harness the power of seamless connectivity today. Our customer support team is ready to assist you Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. Want to learn more about our services? Book a 15-minute sales discovery call. Need technical help? Head over to our one-on-one 15-minute support video call. We look forward to hear from you. Thank you for choosing eToll-Free.